This is a presentation for Science Sensors and Model Apps, IPNT 444, group number 4. The first science tool that we used was the light sensor. This tool measured the intensity of light being bounced off of different colors. It was engaging because it allowed for the students, or allowed for us to be interactive with these tools. We were able to manipulate the light sensor and the various colors of paper. Students, I think, could really feel like scientists here, and if they wanted to, they could even test the color that is bounced off of a sweater or a jacket near them. It was efficient because it was easy for the students to keep track of the data being collected. Basically, the computer kept track of all the data, and it saved on time because rather spending time to create their own graph, the computer would create it for them. I thought this tool was pretty effective as it taught students how to become scientists and collect data and test various things. However, we found that the closer you held the light sensor to the paper, the lower the graph line went. And this could really affect your data collection and eventually skew your results and provide you with ineffective data. So I thought this was a great opportunity for kids to use this. However, I feel like it would need to be, the kinks would need to be worked out, and you would really need to teach them how to properly use the light sensor in order for it to provide accurate results. Here you can see the girls working with the light sensor in our group. They're using a flashlight to shine on the light sensor. We use this to shine through the paper to collect some data about how flashlight can affect the data of a light sensor. The next science sensor was the motion detector. This detected the motion of moving objects using an ultrasound pulse, and it measured how far away an object was from the detector. This science sensor was the least engaging tool in my opinion. Yeah, it was interesting to see the difference between the moving objects of the bouncing baseball, tennis ball, and golf ball. However, I feel as though this tool wasn't engaging enough to really grab the students' attention. I found it fun to walk back and forth from the motion detector, but I feel as though this tool did not provide any new or interesting scientific insight. I did feel that this tool was efficient because, once again, the computer collected all the data while the students experimented with the objects that were provided. As long as the tool was working correctly, the sensor remained efficient in both time and learning. And over time, I realized that this tool could be more effective than I initially thought, as the students have the option of using their bodies to mirror the data collection lines of motion to show a happy face, a sad face, an M, or a W. So basically, they're using their bodies to show things they see on the computer. This tool is not only kinesthetic and gets kids up and moving, which is engaging, but it allows them to understand graphical data and to really explore how it works. This app is called Anatomy, and it is one that explores the anatomy of a human being. This app is very engaging as it grabs the students' attention and they try to figure out where to place bones, body parts, and organs onto this human being. And it provides them with new experiences they may not have seen before, especially for the younger grades, and it's hands-on, which is also engaging. It's efficient because for the teacher, it teaches anatomy to the students in a simple manner, and it allows the teacher more freedom to explore deeper ideas since the app provides the body of the human, saving the teacher that time of finding a skeleton. And it also is available to the students at the tap of their finger, so basically it's learning on demand. Here you can see the organs are being placed into the body. And I just want to show how this is effective because it teaches anatomy in a relaxed environment, and there are various levels of student ability, providing natural scaffolding for learners, so they can work on the bones or the organs or other parts of the body for their learning. This next app is called StarWalk, and it teaches students all about star constellations, moon phases, and various planets. I love this app. Not only is it variable for many learners, but it's also really engaging for all ages. It's engaging because students will love exploring how the moon phases affect the rising and setting times for the sun on other planets. It will also grab their attention, and it will teach them something new every time they open and use the app. As you can see in this screenshot, the app also allows students to manipulate the night sky so they can see the numerous star constellations, planets, and moons. This would be useful when teaching about our changing solar system in the classroom. This app is efficient in both time and money. No more do teachers have to assign their students to observe the moon every night over a course of a month to see all its phases. Now they can use this app to learn the moon phases and the star constellations around the moon. In this picture, you can easily spot Orion over there. And this could be efficient in your classroom if you're trying to explain what Orion looks like and how to spot it in the sky to your students. This app is also really effective as it allows you to zoom in and out on constellations and more. And you'll be able to teach your students effectively because you have so much freedom and the possibilities are really endless with this app. As you can see here in the screenshot, I zoomed into Sirius, which is the brightest star in the heavens. You can teach your students about this star and then actually show them what it looks like and where it is located so they can locate it on their own. Another great option on the app is its picture of the day option, in which it provides a new picture of an object in the solar system or galaxy taken by a real camera every day. Pretty cool.